as a commissioner for integrated epidemiology.
Government erukurabira Ministry y'Amagara etireho omwanya ogurikumanywa nka Ankole Region Public Health Emergency Operation Center kandi ogutira hirwara erikure ry'Ambara Regional Referral Hospital ahabahangu barabe nibihirira okukora handwara eziri kugwaho naho hamwe n'ebigwereze ebindi ebitari bimwe na bimwe.
And we believe that a factor of national park, national park and Queen Elizabeth is at the edge of these districts, together with this region being a cattle corridor, is responsible for the many, several zoonotic disease outbreaks that have been struggling with.
We know that you're placing yourself at the center of preparing the districts and indeed helping them to respond to these disease outbreaks that are becoming so rampant.
Bwena gomanyo gunaita EOC ekigenderwa cyako n'abakugwa barumu beine obukugu bwo kubasa kumanya endwara eyabarkaho eze ndwara zindi kumanyisa ni nkakoto narshe y'abandi barkweta anthrax tiyo yonka nenyamesha ziri kurwara ejo nitwa abantu ntwije tugirwara n'izindi ndwara n'izindi amazina mingi gari mu rushungu nkeje ndwara turkweta Rift Valley fever nayo neyita munonga tugira ngo twagizire inyama yishaha iziri kugira indwara kandi indwara ikatambuka ikazo mu abantu bakashasha bakafa twakoraki twikirizana na Ministry y'Amagara ngo batretere iki kibareta.
Dr. Isa Makumbo, Director wa National Operation Center Ministry y'Amagara nagira ngo kutaho umwanya ogu n'ekintu ky'omutano na munonga haby'amagara.
EOC job is to monitor, scan the environment. What is happening at the border between us and Tanzania? What is happening between us and the border to Rwanda or DRC? So really this is not a small thing.
The Republic of Uganda, led by His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, is at peace. That's why you see all these implementing partners coming to Uganda and giving a hand.
Dr. Aran Murutur, Commissioner wa Integrated Epidemiology, Surveillance and Public Health Emergency Ministry y'Amagara kandobira ry'omugenyi mukuru abashabire kukora kyona kiri kubasika hamwe n'okurebeka ngu batahe enkoragana n'obwebembezi bwa za district.
That means that as you scan the environment, if you hear that there's an event across borders or wherever, make sure your risk assessment is on a point and make sure you prevent that event from reaching us.
Amakoraga gashakwa na Good Fatuma.